I'm Ivy, and I'm with ErgoSync LLC, and I chose this workshop because I want to know Dr. Jo's stuff and also her books, publication, and also her expertise in more deeper because my company is planning to deploy AI workflow, and I believe she is an expert in this area, and I would love to learn more about her insights.
It's awesome.
Yeah, I really love insights giving us like the AI area in today. It was built up with like NVIDIA GPU and big data and also LLM because it echoes what I learned at school, especially after school when I enter a workplace. I'm a data engineer right now. So I use all of these tools every day, but just give us very fundamental knowledge and skill we need to master in order to play safe in this AI area. Presentation today really give me a brief idea and also a good fundamental concept where I can tell my boss and also share with my colleague, especially those stuff in presentation. It shows like Grammarly and Perplex and also Cloud. How we as a basic, very beginner users, how we use these in our daily life, not just for our life, but also for our career and daily work and also career development and also the company workflow. So I really appreciate all the stuff. Yes, of course. Yeah, I would recommend the workshop and also share like LinkedIn profile and also blog with others because I believe more and more companies, they are trying to build up the AI workflow and also to deploy AI tools and also the system in their company. But nobody knows everything very well. So you are the master, you are the experts in this field. So I would recommend and to come to you and to ask for more insights, ensure that they have safe deployment. Yeah.